Hi, I'm Lisa from Ansys Group. In our previous video, we discussed what may happen if you don't solve the problem of limited buyback volumes. To watch it, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. And today, let's find a way to increase your device turnover. If your employees regularly make mistakes in estimating devices, you lose money and customer trust. So educating employees about testing and grading process might be a good idea at first sight. However, this method has several drawbacks. Firstly, you need to spend time and money on people who might leave your company at any time. Secondly, if you have perfectly trained team of testers, you will need to pay them more and provide better working conditions. Moreover, training doesn't eliminate human errors. People will still make mistakes, and only the automation of the process will solve this problem. Another option you have is software-assisted testing. It provides process automation, reduced time spending and consistent results, while benefiting your overall performance. Despite the advantages, software testing still requires your employee active involvement, as the tester needs to connect the device, press buttons and so on. One more factor that needs to be mentioned is fraud possibilities. Sure, software testing reduces the risks of buying a device in worse condition than expected, but the risks of being deceived by your workers still remain. However, nowadays a new cutting-edge technology is appearing on the market: the testing robot, which completely automates the testing process while eliminating human errors. The advantages of this solution are impressive. The testing robot will, automating the testing, grading and wiping, leave no space for human error and fraud, reduce spending on employee training, allow you to increase the buyback volume. Most of these robotic solutions are still prototypes, which can perform only cosmetic tests. Thus, you can't use the solution without human supervision, as the results will be inaccurate. However, there is a testing robot that can check both the cosmetic and functional condition of the device. Meet Riva from Ansys Group, the most efficient smartphone check machine. Riva fully automates the process and doesn't require any training. The robot completely eliminates human errors, making the results independent and trustworthy. Moreover, Riva processes the device in just 4 minutes. Amazing, isn't it? Now the testing robot is the best option for your buyback business. Try Riva to experience it firsthand and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.